Faidi Dada isn't just a product. It's a powerful tool for women to build, grow, and thrive.
And so our clarion call to us women, it is to all the remarkable women here today, this is your moment. So when I say it's our moment, we're seeing far. We're seeing what we are setting up as something that will continue as we support ourselves, support one another, and build a brighter and prosperous future for us and for generations that will come after us.
This is a product that is thoughtfully curated and goes beyond traditional coverage. With Faidi Dada Moto Cover, we are ensuring that women get a comprehensive and affordable moto cover that has additional benefits such as covering your handbag's contents, the iPads, the iPhones, the laptops, in case of an accident or theft. The cover also has a life protection element to ensure our clients always have peace of mind. As an insurer with nearly 60 years of excellence, Canon Group is proud to partner with Kingdom Bank on this cover that will help women feel secure and confident, both behind the wheel and in their everyday lives.